wants to start, but I hear the fuel pump. The fuel pump wants to come on.
But it won't start. Oh. Well.
Started yesterday, drove it. I got a video of it driving. But you can try.
Okay. We'll see how it goes. Not a great start. One more, guys, and then that's it. I'm done. This is really it. Last one I'm getting. The last OBS Chevy truck we're getting. I don't need any more. I'm deleting Marketplace. This is really it, I promise. Sure. Last one. This one looks really nice in the pics, guys. If it is, we're getting it. 60K miles. Looks amazing. And it's a little bit more desirable than the red truck. It's not a single cab long bed. It's an extended cab short bed. I'm pumped. Let's get it. So guys, this is it. It is already almost over, and this is in fact your last day, your last chance to get in on our super cool, absolutely awesome ultimate family giveaway, where you get automatically entered to own this brand new fully loaded Yukon Denali. You get the title to this truck in your name. You own this truck free and clear. You get 10 grand on top of that, and you also get the best part, the fully paid for vacation to anywhere in the world you want to go. And we even have a travel agent on standby who can plan and book the entire thing for you. All you do is say, hey, we want to go here. She does the rest. It's that easy. So if that sounds good, hit that link, get anything on the site, and you and your whole family are locked in to win. And it really is, yes, that easy. Every single winner was just like you, sitting there thinking, should I get in? And then they did. They got something on the site they liked, and then their life changed forever. And this is one you can't miss out on. So don't hit the link, get in now. Last chance, guys. Good luck, and let's make this your best Christmas ever. Merry Christmas from all of us here, and enjoy. Okay. Well, I can't drive down that. I thought we were here. We're close. We're close. It's somewhere. But we're close. And that was, yes, another wondrous journey on the turnpike, guys. Fun fact, I saw a reel pop up recently, and it was a guy talking about how much he hates the turnpike. And I commented and said, hey, fun fact, guys, the PA Turnpike is the most expensive road in the world to drive on. And it is. That's true. I don't know why. It's not good, but it is. So there you go. And yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll wait here. And who knows, maybe get a psychic reading. Ooh, it looks like another old truck is in your future. Ooh, that's my psychic voice. Oh, there he is.
It wants to start, but I hear the fuel pump. The fuel pump wants to come on.
But it won't start. Oh. Well.
Started yesterday, drove it. I got a video of it driving. But you can try.
Okay. We'll see how it goes. Not a great start. So it won't start. It does try to start, but it won't stay running. Fires up, quits. Huh. Well, could be a few things. Truck does look nice. No rust. Clean inside. 60K miles. Really clean on the inside. It is clean for sure. A little bit of damage there, or dirt on the headliner, but nothing bad. Got the pap cap on here, pappy cap looking good. Underneath looks pretty good. Yeah, pretty clean actually. Minimal rust, just a little surface rust here and there, but pretty clean. Wheel wells look really good. Clean, not rusty. Overall, nice. Frame looks good. Paint looks pretty good. Needs a correction and all, but clean. Usually down here is like the first thing to go, but that all looks good. Front end looks pretty good too. It is nice, guys. I like the color. The green, the metallic green is nice. Of course, the highly desirable off-road pack. She's got that. The Z pack. Oh yeah. You know, could be something small. Fuel pump, other little things, who knows. But I do like it. It is clean. I would like to get it. That scares me a little, but I think it's nothing major. These things are they're pretty solid. So it should be something dumb. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Should I get it? Carpets look nice. It is nice. Seats are really good. And again, 60K miles, hard to beat. Yeah, if he takes off like 2K for what it could be, I'll get it. So, update. We made a deal, guys, and he took off the money. And I feel safe knowing that if it is anything within a pretty reasonable range, I can fix it for that amount, and we're good. I do like the truck, so I'm getting it. I'm taking a chance, guys. Taking a chance here, taking a risk. And the only other part left now is to get the truck on the trailer with it not running, which should be awesome. So wish us luck with that one. It's not going to be light, but that road is downhill, so I think we get a running start and we just roll with it. Hope it works. We tried to push it. There is no way that's gonna work, but I got a plan. Easy, guys, easy. Okay, boys, she is loaded up, and honestly, great day. That guy was super nice, made a deal. I like the truck, and well, let's get the build going. Oh, well, oh, wow. That Golf is annihilated. Wow. Big Rex towing the green monster back there, and you might be thinking, Mike, that's a big load for that Dodge, isn't it? And you're right, it is, but these are rated for 8,500, and of course that load is nowhere near that. The truck is like 5-ish. The trailer is only 1,100, very light, so the Rex can pull it easily. And fun fact, it's really about the same weight as the GTR. So shows you how far trucks have come. They're a lot bigger now. Oh, trucks are a lot larger. Whew, it is freezing, guys, but we're here. We made it home to the one, well, not home, but to the one and only. We made it to the one and only Performance Diesel warehouse, and we are dropping off the truck to get whatever is wrong with it fixed. So, update coming soon. And I also found out some insane things about this truck that you'll love, like really cool things. This one, I think, is actually going to be our best one yet. So, stay tuned. Don't miss it. Well, the fire is on, the tree is lit, and the Del Sol is getting detailed. Christmas is here. Oh, looking good. And don't forget, we do offer detailing here in the shop, guys. Now, if your car needs ceramic coated, detailed, paint corrected, He's got you covered. Check him out, and you can get your car done right here. Pretty cool. As always, on the last night of any giveaway, I like to give you a final look at the truck. So let's check out the Yukon, guys, here with the nice fire going, nice and cozy. It's not, it's freezing, but let's look at the Yukon. And of course, guys, if you don't know, this giveaway ends tonight. You get the truck, the trip, and the cash all in one. You get this brand new, fully loaded Yukon Denali. You get the title in your name, free and clear. You own the truck. You get 10 grand on top of that. And the coolest part, we are sending you and your whole family on any trip you want to go on. We even have a travel agent who will do all the work. She can plan and book the entire thing. You do nothing. All you do is say, hey, we would like to go here. She does the rest. It's that easy. And that's why this is the ultimate family-focused giveaway. You get a great daily, the cash, and a trip all in one. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. So don't miss out on this one. Hit the link, get in, last chance. We did a few little things, but this truck is pretty cool bone stock. We did the badge on the front. The stock one is red, and I think this one looks a lot cooler with the whole truck being white and black, of course. Now, this is only a little overlay. It's only double-sided tape. If you don't like it for some reason, you can take it off, but really cool. 20 bucks on eBay, and I gotta tell you, I think it's great. It fits really well, easy to install, looks cool. Ceramic tint, 20%, looks great, and the best part, the 24-inch snowflakes, which looks so good. We get compliments on this thing everywhere all the time. People love these wheels, and it does look really good on this truck. I think that design is cool. These were a GM wheel, like these were a GM design from years back, and people liked them so much they get reproduced now, and you can get 26s, 28s, 30s. These are 24s, but people love them. They go crazy with the snowflakes, and I think on the Yukon Denali, they do look good. So you got the gloss black snowflakes. When you open the door, of course, you got that automatic step, so the kids and the old grandparents can get in. Third row, pano roof, really cool. I won't spend a ton of time in here. You guys know what new vehicles have. Got your 10 grand, the big screen. I like the screen a lot. And, you know, like I said, it's got everything. Heated and cooled seats, Apple CarPlay, rear climate controls, little storage thing here. Very cool. And I do like that GM went old school kind of with the column shifter. So to go into drive, you just forward, down, park is the button. I like that. It's nice. Kind of old school, and I like that. So that's the inside and the outside, and that's it. She only needs one thing, a new owner, and it could be you. So hit that link, get in, and good luck, guys. Thank you. Enjoy. You guys have no idea what truck is in there right now. I saw it, and I was so shocked, I almost cried. Not even joking, I almost cried.